Guys, being Memorial Day weekend, on Monday, Olight's doing a little flash sale on their S1R Baton 2. And this is a limited edition desert tan color, which is more or less a bronze. It has 1,000 lumens and there are a lot of other features. This is 30% off all day Monday during the sale, and there's a limit of 2. And that gets the price down to $48.97 for 1,000 lumen light with a lot of cool features. And there's a 40% off a bundle pack, which includes either the LDOC, which is a recharging station, or the small little S1R EOS. And I'll have the affiliate link down below in the description. Olight never sleeps. They are always coming up with all kind of stuff. And this is the Desert Tan Limited Edition S1R Baton 2. And we have it written right here. And these, once they run out, guys, they're done. So I highly recommend getting over to the website. It starts at 12 midnight. These are very successful sales. Obviously they are because they keep doing a lot of them. And then you have the pocket clip that'll go both ways, which I really like. Now to go through the mode settings, just press and hold. And you've got moonlight setting. This is 0.5 lumens. Now we're at the 12 lumens, goes up to 60 lumens, 600 lumens, and then double click and we go up to 1,000 lumens. I mean, this is super bright. Triple click and we go to strobe. And the beam distance is 145 meters, which is really, I mean, that's farther than almost 1.5 football fields. The candela is 5,250. So it's a really bright, powerful light. Now you'll see this little pad is turning up orange, and that means that I need to charge the light. It'll turn green up to 60%, 60% down to 10% it's orange, and then at 10% it turns red. Now it's a side switch, which makes it really easy to get to, but it's recessed enough to where this will not necessarily come on in your pocket. Now it does have recharging capability, and it comes with a charging cable. And it's magnetic, and it attaches directly, and then you just plug this into any USB source. It is IPX8, which means it's submersible up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, and it's impact resistant up to 1.5 meters. And IPX8, we can put it right in the water. Guys, I've never had one of these to fail, and I have done a lot of Olight videos. And the weight is 1.8 ounces with the battery. And you can see, guys, I mean, it is tiny. And this really fits well in your pocket. I've been carrying Olight for over 6 years as my regular EDC every day. And guys, it is just an excellent light. And then with this desert tan color, again, these are limited and they have that matte finish to them. They're just beautiful. Now, if you go to the website and you register, they'll send you a black clip to replace the blue one if you like that. And that's all you need to do is just register. And 30% off just the light. And there's a 40% off if you go with a bundle pack. Now there's two different options. We have the S1R EOS. This is a small little pocket light, but man, is it super bright for this small size. And the great thing is it is rechargeable. So we pull this off, we can connect a micro USB right here, which is included. And that way you can keep this charged. And then if you want to just turn it on, just twist and it turns on. There are two different modes. There's bright and then there's dim. So this way you can read, do whatever, and then if you need to get a little extra light, you've got it. Or you can go with the new LDOC. This is a very popular option, and you just pop it on and then you take the USB at the top, you're charging, and you put it here and then just plug it in. And these are just great. They have all the fixtures to be able to attach this to a surface so you can have this hanging up, and I use this all the time. I mean, I love these LDOCs. And that way I can keep it on the charging station, and then when I need to I can just bring it off, and it's magnetic here and magnetic here. And again, that is a bundle pack, either the LDOC or the S1R. It has a nice blue bezel and a blue clip, and again, it is that double clip, which I love. It is the TLR lens, which makes it very diffused, but yet it gets the light out there at the center. And again, guys, limit 2 with either the bundle or just the light itself. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a super bright light in your pocket. It's so handy, so easy to use, and if you've never carried a small little flashlight with you every day, you won't know how you got along without it. So to make your Memorial Day a little brighter, check out the S1R Baton 2 in Desert Tan. Again, this is a limited edition. I highly recommend you check these out right away. The sale will start at 12 midnight, or you can get the 40% off bundle pack, either the LDOC or the S1R EOS. It's a little pocket keychain light. And again, guys, the link will be down in the description. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic.